Well, I think this is a very good beginning for anyone who is interested in Mexican history and the many centuries of very different cultures and different political events, as well as the main results of Mexico's fight for independence from, first of all, from Spain, and then from the various invading countries during the 19th century, and then its final outcome with the Mexican Revolution and the progress that has ensured since then. I think this is an excellent introduction for anyone interested, and for those who have already read something about Mexican history, this is a good book to brush up on.